Hello everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Create Shift V2 on DoorDash. First, update the app. Go to the App Store or Google Play Store, search for Dasher or DoorDash, whichever app you're using. If an update button appears, tap it to update the app. After updating, open the app and check if the issue is resolved. Next, uninstall and reinstall the app. Open your settings, scroll down and tap Apps. In the search bar, type and select DoorDash or Dasher. Tap Uninstall and confirm. Go to the Google Play Store, reinstall the app and open it. Don't worry, you won't be logged out and all your data will be saved after reinstalling. And that's it. That's how to fix Create Shift V2 on DoorDash. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.